Hi you beautiful people and welcome to my channel. As I promised, I'm doing the video today. I didn't do it last week and I do apologise. It's just, sometimes you don't feel very well and things get on top of you, and I wasn't feeling it last week at all. But as you can see, I might do something underneath still, but it's like not totally dramatic like I normally do. But I worked with what I had and I think it looks pretty. Like compared to that it looks pretty. So let's get this off. So let's get this off. Let's get it off. Let's wipe this eye. So yeah, it'd be nice if I picked up a wipe that was actually wet. Let's try again. So yeah, let's get this off. So yeah, basically I wanted to use the palette from the cohorted box, which I said I was going to use, which is the zoeva Cocoa Blend palette, which is this one. I don't know if anyone has got the cohorted box remembers getting this. I think we all got the same, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I want to try it out. One issue with the palette I would say is when I was using the dark brown, it was like doing like, I don't know, it might do it this time, I'm not sure, but it was like doing like this weird thing. I can't even explain what it was that weird. But yeah, I don't even know what it was doing, but it tended to want to clash into the lighter colour, and it was like, oh my god. I don't even know if I want to do a full face today or what. We'll see. I mean, should we go for a full face? And I don't know. I tend to think that sometimes when I go for a full face I look a bit weird. I don't know. I feel weird. I look weird. I don't know. And like, it's like when I wear, sometimes when I wear lipstick, I feel weird. Like I think that I'm overdoing it, and for me, it doesn't suit me, I don't know. But then my daughter's like, no, you look so pretty. And I'm like, I don't know about it, like, I don't know. We'll see. Right, so first of all, we're going to go in with some concealer. What I did was I went in with some concealer to give it, the best, like, I don't know, the best chance it has of working, this palette, because I've never used it, and a lot of time when I want something to stand out, I use concealer. I think most people do. So we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Maybelline concealer, and I've got this in Ivory number 322. So just a bit, blob that on, oh good, I'll put loads on there. I'm just going to get a brush, one of my unicorn brushes, and just, wow, I think I've put too much on. Yeah, so like, I don't know. I like to do a full face, but I always feel like I've overdone it, and I feel a bit weird about it. I don't know. I mean, to be fair, I could always like do it, and I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if my face suits it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's gone right under my eye this time. Getting so lazy doing my videos. It doesn't take long to do a video. I just never know what to say, because it's like you're talking to yourself basically. I mean, I'm talking to you, but like while I'm still doing it, it's like I'm talking to myself, and it's weird, like really weird. Like I'm trying to be myself, and it's weird because I'm like just talking to myself. I don't know. Anyway, let's just get over that. Right, so Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette, which we got in there. So the first colour we're going to go in, and I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. We're going to go in with this colour here, and it says Substitute for Love. I think I use that one, yeah. Yeah. It looks quite dark in person, but it's actually not. So it's got a bit of kickback as well. So we'll go in with this. Hopefully we can make this eye look the same as the other one. Because this is I mean, there's two problems I get. It's making the eye look the same, and then obviously, what is that on my eye? Yeah, like making them look the same, and I've got like a watery eye. Well, watery eyes. Just depends which eye wants to mess me about, to be fair. So I'm just taking it, just Just so far under the brow bone. Not totally under the brow bone. Obviously to highlight that I might have to use my palette with my highlighters in, because there's not really any colours in here that you could really highlight with. You know what I'm saying? Because like, I think that colour there, I don't know, it might come off a bit. Oh, I don't know actually. Maybe it's not. It's quite faint, I suppose. Could try. If it goes wrong, just it goes wrong. I don't know how well this is shown up on camera, but it is quite a nice colour. It's not, I think it's shown up on camera lighter actually than what it actually is. In person it's a bit darker. Right, so, oh my god, I'm so sorry, but you know, I've just been to the gym and I've just and then I've just basically decided to come here and do this video. So yeah, sorry about that rudeness. Right, so we're going to go in this smaller brush here. This is a Luxe Petite Crease brush, and we're going to go in the colour Beans Are White. Do you know, when I first did my first eye, I didn't even look at the names. I know what I used, but Beans Are White and it's brown? Now I'm confused. Anyway, yeah. And we're going to put this round here to darken this up. See what I mean? It's like a bit weird. I can't explain how it's going on. It's just not. It looks nice. It's just, for me, when I'm using colours, it's weird. My husband came up with a really good idea actually. I don't know if you guys know about the whole new Jeffree Star palette coming out. The is it Blue Blood? Is it Blue Blood? I think it's called Blue Blood. And it's supposed to be like the blood sugar. And if you're watching my videos, I absolutely love the blood sugar palette. I just love it. It's like one of the best palettes ever. I've not used it for a while actually, but I love it. And I was hoping it was going to bring out a more colourful palette actually. There is like blues and stuff like that in it, so I'm really looking forward to that. But it's just, it comes out soon and it's been America, and I don't really want to order it from America. I think I'll wait until Beauty Bay's got it, maybe get it that way. But my husband came up with a really good idea, and he said, why don't you do one eye with the Blue Blood and do one eye with the blood sugar palette? You know, look different, be kind of cool. Or even like, you could do, I suppose you could do like half an eye with the blood sugar and half an eye with the Blue Blood. Maybe, or maybe that's like two things I could do with it, just try it out and see how it is. But yeah, I think that's a really good idea. So yeah, this is, I noticed that I would use this because it's not like a bad palette. It's quite nice. It's just, for me, it's like weird. Like when it starts, I don't know if you can see it, but it starts like going a bit weird here. Is it just me? I'm gonna burp again. I am so sorry. I'm so rude. Honestly, I shouldn't eat and then just do it. Maybe not. Looking forward to our son's 21st. He's 21 on Friday, and then he's having a party on Saturday. So I get to dress up a little bit, which I don't normally do, and have a bit of a drink and a dance and all that. But he's disabled. He's got cerebral palsy, so he's like really looking forward to it. And he's just got his electric wheelchair also. So he's there like, can I go dance with all the ladies in my electric wheelchair? I'm like, yes, son, you can. He thinks he's going to pull all the ladies, and he most probably will because he's a charmer. So yeah, something to look forward to. So this is like a nice look you could use. But me being me, I am most probably going to do something really, really like extreme. Maybe. So a bit of concealer. Just to cut this out. Silence, and my belly's like going. At at least when you're watching me, you know what you're getting, I suppose. Like, I just say it as it is and I talk how I talk, and that's just me. I like to just be me, really. Like, I don't like when people act fake. You know, this is what you get. This is me. I mean, there's no need to pretend I'm someone else. Right, so I'm just gonna blend this a bit like that with my finger, expecting. Right, so then I'm gonna get a metallic colour in this palette with this flat brush. And I'm gonna use this colour here, and it's called Pure Ganache. It's like a metallic goldy, like a rose goldy colour. And basically put this up here. I did use a little bit of eyeliner as well, just to go where the lashes are going. At one time I didn't even used to be confident about really talking that much. So I did my videos with like music on them and didn't even talk because I felt embarrassed. You've got to learn to talk to yourself. Well, talk to myself, but you know, like talk to you, it's like weird. Kind of. Maybe. Right, and then we're going to get back this brush here and just go back in with the beans of white a little bit, just to smoothen this edge back out. So there's like no harsh line. Pretty, it's pretty. Very pretty. Ugh, eyeliner time. Eyeliner time. Oh, God, I hate eyeliner. Only because I've got to use the gel eyeliner. So we all know, if you've watched my videos, I use the Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner 24 Hour by Maybelline, is it? Yes, Maybelline, sorry. I remember when I was days, I just can't think, and I've not done a video for a while, so I'm a little bit like, So, how I'm gonna do this, right? So, I just don't want it to be like dramatic, this eyeliner. Just enough, just to put the eyelash there. I think I used to do my videos with music on as well, because I'd gained weight and I didn't really feel confident in myself anymore. So it's like, I don't really talk and stuff, and I kind of hated doing the videos. Now I do like doing them, don't get me wrong, I do like doing them. It's just sometimes I just never know what to do. Like, so if there's anything you guys want to say, like me to attempt, that would be a good idea actually. If you could give me like an idea of like a look, colours, whatever to create. Like maybe like colours that you think, something to do with springtime, I don't know. Or, yeah, whatever, springtime or something like that. If you can hear my stomach, I'm really sorry. I can't control the body functions of my belly. So I'm going in with this Lodenberry mascara. I'm going to say eyeliner then. Mascara, what I also got in one of my cohorted boxes. I do actually really like it. Weird faces coming up, pulling weird faces. I bet you could make a weird like video of people pulling weird faces doing the makeup. Right, then to the eyelash. Right, the eyelashes are, I think, these are the Primark ones. I really, really need to go back and get some more. I keep putting it off because it's like, because I live in Doncaster and like the Primark I go to is in Sheffield, I just put it off because it's always like chaos. Like, so chaos. I hate it so much. But yeah, I really need to go back because they're so cheap and they're really good. Cheap and good, and that's what we all want, right? A bargain. So let's wait for that to dry. Actually, while I'm waiting for that to dry, I wonder if, what's this brush here? Yeah, I'll clean this brush off because it's got green on it. We don't want green on top of that. It wouldn't be good with this. I think sometimes I don't always do a full makeup video because of how long the video's running. Don't even know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can sort of see it. It's just very subtle. But I suppose for this kind of look, it wants to be subtle. I don't like that corner of the eye. I think I'll go underneath and I'll just make it look a bit better. That's probably my own fault. Put a bit in there as well. I've just got so many songs stuck in my head at the minute. I've got that Jonas Brothers Sucker For You stuck in my mind. It's like I'm dying to sing it and I don't want to sing it. Right, so I'm just going to put this eyelash on. I think I'm like getting better at putting eyelashes on. Like at one time a day, it took me so long to put them on, and it's like now it's like not as bad, especially if you've got decent eyelashes. So good. Right, I don't think I'm going to do a full makeup thing. No, I'm not, because it's like 16 minutes and you don't really want to be listening to my boring dribble. So we're just going to go under the eyes and see what we can do with this. So then if it goes on my face, I can just wipe it off. It's not as bad. See, I can't like really play music and talk to you while I'm doing it because I'm doing it on my phone. You know, I don't have a nice camera. I don't even have a ring light yet, God's sake. I keep saying I'm going to get one. Because this summer doing videos is going to suck if I do not get a ring light. It's like my videos are just not going to be there. Because, you know, I use the window. And ring lights make your eyes look so pretty, don't they? Like, your eyes like proper stand out and look so pretty with them. I love them. Brilliant. Well, I don't know what's happened there, but you know. Oh, that's kind of cute. See, this is not my normal kind of look, but I think it does suit me. But I'm just weird and I like to do like these really outrageous looks. The silence is real. Do that and then blend this out a bit. There we have it. So I like it actually. It looks kind of pretty. So if you liked this video of me using this palette, which was from the Cohorted box this month, burping again. So if you liked this video of this makeup, please like, comment and subscribe. It means so much to me, and I love the fact that you guys comment. It means so much to me that you actually take the time to watch my videos and comment and everything else. It just means a lot, because I am trying to build my channel up, and you know, sometimes I can't always get the videos out because obviously, you know, I'm a mum and I lift weights, and yeah, sometimes I get tired and I get poorly, and you know, but you still support me, and I totally love that. So yeah, and also check out my Instagram, Tattooed Paula. On there I do sometimes stream a little bit of the gym. Also on Mixer, Oh Black Mamba. Oh, yeah, I think that's what it is. Yeah, I stream on there also. I stream the gym. I also play games on the night too. So yeah, I mean, obviously when I'm in the gym, I don't really chat that much. I will try to like message sometimes on there, but obviously talking's a bit weird because I'm in the gym. But yeah, on the night time when I'm playing my games, you know, I will talk to you because obviously I'm talking to you. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And please, if you think of anything you want me to try, anything you want to do, something for spring, I don't know, any colours or what you think, or a palette that I might have that I can do something with, please just comment below and I'll try it out. So anyway, yeah, it was nice chatting with you, and I will see you next time.